Millions of people worldwide live with paralysis or motor impairments due to stroke, spinal cord injury, or other brain damage. Daily tasks that most of us take for granted, like picking up a cup or walking, can become impossible. But new technology is opening doors once thought closed. Brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs, allow the brain to communicate directly with machines. In recent studies, patients with paralysis have used thought alone to control robotic arms or exoskeletons, performing tasks like grasping objects or moving a cursor on a screen. These systems work by detecting neural activity in motor regions of the brain, interpreting these signals through AI algorithms, and sending commands to assistive devices. Over time, users learn to refine their thoughts, improving precision and control. BCIs are not just assistive, they can help retrain the brain itself. By engaging neuroplasticity, patients often regain partial motor function even outside the robotic device. Clinical trials are showing promising improvements in hand and arm mobility for stroke survivors. Looking ahead, fully integrated neural prosthetics could restore near-natural movement for people with spinal injuries or strokes. Imagine controlling robotic limbs or exoskeletons seamlessly, regaining independence, and performing tasks once thought impossible. What challenges do you think future neurotechnology could help overcome? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe now for more insights.